Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Microsoft Teams password on iPhone, quick fix step by step clearly. To reset your Microsoft Teams password on an iPhone, first, open the Microsoft Teams app. If you're already logged in, sign out of your account. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, scroll down and select the option that says Sign Out. Once signed out, tap on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Sign In screen. Now, enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your email, tap Next. You will now see an option that says Forgot My Password. Tap on Forgot My Password to begin the reset process. You will be directed to a new screen asking for verification. Choose how you'd like to receive the verification code. This could be via text message or email, depending on your account settings. Once you select your preferred method, tap Send Code. Check your messages or email for the verification code sent by Microsoft. Enter the code in the app where prompted. Next, you'll be asked to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. After setting your new password, tap Next to save it. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been reset. Now, return to the Microsoft Teams app login screen. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Finally, tap on the Sign In button to access your Teams account. You have successfully reset your Microsoft Teams password on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.